Hi, it's Cody here at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a walk around of a 27 RL Jayco Jay Feather. We'll start on the outside, work our way to the inside. Let's get at her. So up on the front here, we've got the hard cover with two 20-pound propane tanks, electric tongue jack, electric brakes, your breakaway switch all up here. Batteries will mount back behind, put up to 2. This is also prepped for side camera. You got 4 manual stabilizer jacks on the outside. Outside shower. Your black tank flush will be right here. And then you've got your city water connection down below that. Nice size slide out. On the back, another stabilizer jack, your cable and satellite input. You got a roof ladder, big back windows. It's also prepped for backup camera. Then your 30 amp power supply will be on the back. You've got the Goodyear spare tire with spare tire cover. You're also prepped down here for a LP gas grill you can hook up to. You got the MoRide step above. You have the Solera electric awning with the LED light strip. Exterior speakers. 6-gallon gas electric hot water heater. And right next to the hot water heater there is your freshwater fill. You got your furnace exhaust and intake. You have a cable output and outlets. Front bedroom door. Nice pass-through storage with electric baggage door locks. We'll take a look on the inside. Give you a quick overview, and then we'll talk about some of the features on the inside. So friction door handle or door hinges. So we'll give you a quick look. So we'll start here. So this will fold down to another bed. Take the legs out, all the cushions come down. You have a jackknife sofa, 2 rear recliners, nice nightstand with some storage, also some seat covers for traveling for the recliners, overhead storage. You have a max air fan here in the main area, along with a 13,500 BTU ducted air conditioning system. Some drawers. And these are 80-pound rated ball bearing guides. A little flip up extra counter space. A 2-place sink with the high-rise faucet. You have the glass cover over a 3-burner cooktop. A little oven. Nice big size drawer below that for your pots and pans. We went with the 12-volt refrigerator, so you get a little bit more room. You have your hood with the light and fan. Right above that is a microwave. Some more overhead storage here. A little pantry setup. Your entertainment area, there is a television. So it'll come with a 32-inch television. And you have the IRV technologies, Bluetooth, AM, FM, radio, spot for DVDs, stuff like that. Nice thing too about this is you have the light switches here on the slide out for your lights above. You also got some nice storage under the dinette here. As you notice, probably full carpetless slide out. Got a walk-through bathroom. Nice tall stand-up shower. Skylight above. Sink. Medicine cabinet. Also have a fan in here too. Tons of storage. Important question, toilet paper holder. Into the master bedroom, a queen size bed. You got a closet on this side. Nightstand here. You will also have a little nightstand nook area back there for glasses or phone. There's also outlets back there. Another closet on the other side here. Overhead storage. Another closet space here on the other side. Some drawers. And then we also did the solar panel with the 30 amp controller. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at sales@gogscamperway.com, or you can call us at 1-800-714-7895.